peace. What is going on, beautiful people? This is Jay here from ZTA. Hope you're having a wonderful holiday season, man. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Hope you had an opportunity to really enjoy some time with your family, friends, and your loved ones. I wanted to give you guys an update on the 30-minute NQ algo we introduced a few weeks ago. As you might recall, we got the initial idea from Trader Rob, who I believe he got the initial idea from a YouTube channel called Quant Trade Edge. And so I want to give a quick acknowledgement to both of those YouTube channels. Salute and shout out to Trader Rob, and salute and shout out to Quant Trade Edge for introducing this NQ scalping model to us. And then we, of course, took it upon ourselves and made some changes to it, and we tweaked a few things. We changed the time frames, and we added ATR, we added filters, and we added a max amount of trades, and we added tweaks, and we changed it enough to make it our own. And trading is all about adapting and taking an idea from a source. It could be a book, it could be a podcast, it could be an online forum, and just tweaking the idea enough to making it more apt and fitting for yourself and for your risk profile, right? So what we now have is a really interesting algo, right? So when Trader Rob introduced it to us, he trades it on the 15-minute time frame. And in my testing and my research, it did not produce that a promising of long-term results on the 15-minute time frame. And so once we went up a time frame and we bumped it up to the 30-minute time frame, we noticed that it was a lot more consistent, and that it produce much better results while lowering the drawdown, right? And one of the most important factors or metrics I always look for when evaluating a trading algo or a system is the net profit to drawdown ratio. It's the thing I care about the most, right? So as you guys can see here, year to date, the candle scalper algo, as we've called it, has made about $22,805 year to date, with a drawdown of $3,998, right? So we call that $4,000, right? So you made almost 23 with a drawdown of only 4,000. Excellent work. These are the kind of numbers I like to see. These are the kind of numbers that really excite me, okay? You can see here, we have taken 210 trades, and so it trades quite often. It averages about 0.92 trades a day, so almost a trade a day, right? So if you're looking for a highly profitable algo to use on, let's say, a prop firm, this one might be a good option for you, right? So you can see that it's also highly accurate. The win rate is 68%. And if you take a look at the settings over here on the right side, you can see a few of the changes and tweaks we've had to make it more fitting, and to make it more robust, and to make sure that it trades in the way that we want it to work. Like for me in particular, I wanted to keep the profit targets nice and tight. I'm only looking for quick pops, quick scalps. And so you can see over here on the right, we're only looking for a 1 ATR profit target, right? So we're not looking for an algo to take trades and hold trades for hours and hours and hours, right? We're not looking for a swing trading algo. I am looking for a short-term scalping system on the higher time frames that are just designed to catch quick and frequent wins and exit the market. You can see that the stop loss is 1.2 ATR and the profit target is 1 ATR. So the losers on average, right, are a little larger than the winners, but that's pretty normal for a higher win rate scalping type of system, right? You can see the equity curve here. Let's have a look at this. This is not bad, right? So what we have here is a pretty good equity curve. We are currently at equity highs, and you can see that the algo has been performing pretty well since the top of the year, right? Drawdowns are always recovered and followed by new account and new equity highs here, right? You absolutely love to see it. And again, it trades often. It takes almost a trade a day, and so it's a pretty active bot. Our goal here is to just continue to incubate it and to continue to watch its performance, to continue to monitor the actual code for any bugs or quality issues, and to just overall guarantee and ensure that the algo and the bot is working as it's designed to work, right? And once this one passes our incubation, we will, gladly put it out there and share it with the community at large, so other traders and other algo traders can, lease it or buy a lifetime license and own it outright. But again, we took the initial entry model and the core idea, and we added our own tweaks, our own changes, our own filters, and we made it adaptable to the current market regime, and we made it adaptable to our personal risk profile and settings, right? So for us in particular, we love to put our algos through an extremely strict and stringent testing criteria, right? It isn't enough to just code up an algorithm and it's working for a week and you just start trading it live. You have to do very, very thorough robustness testing, and you have to ensure that the algo is going to hold up in all kinds of market regimes, or at least multiple market regimes here, right? So what we actually have here is an execution chart, showcasing a few trades so that you can actually see what a few of the executions look like, right? So let me go ahead and find a nice example. So you can see here's a long, right? We're above the 8 EMA, we have a red bar, we have a green bar that fails to break the low of the red bar, and it fails to create a new high. It goes long and its profit target is 1 ATR. So on a quick pop, boom, it's out. That's it. If you're trading one E-mini NASDAQ contract, you would have made $22,805, trading one E-mini NASDAQ contract, right? You're not trading 2, you're not trading 5, you're not trading 10, you're not taking on excessive risk. You're only trading one E-mini contract and would have made almost 23 grand year to date, right? Absolutely beautiful. It's what we like to see, right? Just scrolling back here to show a few more executions. I just love this entry, right? We're above the 8 EMA. We have a red bar, green bar follows. We're going to enter here, right? So we place our limit order at the top, at the high of that green bar. Our trigger, we get filled on the way up, and our profit target is an ATR away. Absolutely beautiful, right? So just scrolling through the chart executions here to show you a few more examples of what the executions look like, right? So again, nice little trend above the 8 EMA. We pull back, we have an entry, profit target is only 1 ATR away. Boom, target is hit, right? Same thing happens here. Boom, target is hit. Here we take a loss, but that is okay. Losses are supposed to happen. Losses are the cost of doing business as a trader. Even algos, even bots are going to take losses. It's completely okay, right? But overall, man, this is a really nice algo. It's a really awesome bot. I'm so proud of us and how hard we've worked on improving this thing and tweaking it and refining it and adding more filters to make it more robust and to reduce false signals and false breakouts and so on. And I'm really excited to have this one in particular go live. I might trade this on a 50K like funded account and see how it does for 30 days or do like a challenge or something like that, right? So as always, I want you guys to stay in touch with us, stay tuned. This algo, Candle Scalper, should be releasing soon. We will have this one up on our site again for leasing or for lifetime license purchases in the next couple of weeks. All right. So as always, man, stay safe out there, stay warm. This is Jay from ZTA. All right.